Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano man ang makikita natin. Go. O, diba? So, okay, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, so yan po yung kanyang FB page. So, search na lang po. And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman. Okay? So, one word, Dingsi. Okay. Again, kung may tanong, message lang po, no? And syempre, if you're interested sa ating mga items, we do have items for protection pagdating sa mga evil eye. Meron din tayong granter necklace. Meron din tayong love bracelet for singles and may mga komplikadong connection. And ang ating pang cord cut. So, kung may mga tanong, ano po ba yun? Message na lang po. Okay? So, message na lang. Wag po sa comment section. Opo, kasi kapag yan nagsabay-sabay, mahirap na. Mahirap na makita, natatabunan na. So, kailangan po PM. Okay? So, let's start with you, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong message ang kailangan mong malaman? Air sign. Eight of Swords. Anong inyong iniisip? Meron kayong iniisip? Ano tong Eight of Swords? The Ten of Swords. Something na nag-end. Something na nag-end. Some of you are healing. Maybe this is talking about separation, endings. Okay? So, ano to? Tingnan natin. Ano pang meron? You're in your head. Some of you, you're stressed. You're sad. Yeah, the Four of Chalices. Some of you, there's this water sign or a fellow air sign who's thinking of you a lot. You're in their head. They want to talk, pero hindi nila ginagawa. Some of you, you're overthinking. You have to take some rest. Iba sa inyo. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse, Death. It's like, paano na? Ano na mangyayari? Parang ganon yung energy. So, if this is talking about relationship na talagang kailangan, this is like acceptance na. Okay, acceptance ang kailangan dito. Hindi maaaring lagi lang tayong nakatunganga, lagi lang tayong nakatingin sa kung saan, no? And, kailangan mag-move. Kailangan mag-move on. Lilipas at lilipas din. Maghihil at maghihil rin. Okay, so ganun talaga ang buhay. So, ano pa? Some of you, there's this Virgo who's thinking of you. Specific, a Virgo. The Two of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. How? Yan ang narinig ko. How? Patungkol sa pera. Paano, this is managing pagdating sa pera. Kung anong uunahin, priorities. See, the Three of Pentacles. Some of you, this is talking about work or love. Parang hindi mapagsabay. Bakit naman? Dapat marunong mag-multitask. No? Yung iba naman kasi, oo, yung parang kapag nagkaroon ng love life, na parang napapabayaan na nga yung work, yung energy pagdating sa work, no? Parang ganyan. Lalo na kapag nag-break, naku po, Diyos ko. So, manage. You have to manage. Okay? Yung iba kasi parang gustong pumasok sa relasyon, tapos may work. So, paano kaya yon? Sabi, kailangan marunong ka mag-manage your time. So, kung hindi ka flexible din, alam mo na. Diba? Six of Swords. Lahat naman may patutunguhan. Taking risk. Kung hindi ka magte-take risk, then wala kang dapat panghinayangan. Kasi wala ka namang, diba? Hindi ka dapat manghinayang. Hindi ka dapat mag-regret. In the first place, hindi mo naman tinry. Diba? What else? Tower. Unexpected. What's this? King of Swords. Somebody will reach you out. Approach you. Okay? Pwedeng, ang kailangan mo sa kanya is clarity, answers na pwedeng ibibigay sa'yo. Biglaan. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Some of you pwedeng, this is talking about legal actions, legal issues na pwedeng mapapag-usapan. Or talagang tatakbo na. Mata-transact ang mga dapat matransact kung ano man. May mga may mga magbibigay ng forgiveness, yeah. Some of you, there's this Scorpio, Aqua, Water, who is like, yeah, they like you. Genuinely. They like you. Totoo siya. Totoo yung emosyon, totoo yung intention. They're younger. So, anong meron? Mag-express sila ng emosyon for you. Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dito sa King of Swords? The Six of Pentacles in reverse. The Nine of Pentacles. They see you as someone who is so cold. Now, parang feeling nila, i-go ko ba? Yeah, merong gustong mag-express ng totoong damdamin nila for you. Pero, yeah, the Six of Pentacles is in the reverse. Some of you, this is talking about gusto lang humingi ng another chance. Kung sino man to. Okay? Gustong humingi ng another chance. May nangyaring separation because of the towers here. Now, they're afraid maybe reaching you out. Maybe. So, pagdating sa kaperahan mo, no, may pera dito. Don't delay kung may mga plano. Basta simulan. Basta simulan. Alam nyo ba, ang plano ng plano is a sign of failure. Plano lang ng plano, walang ginagawa. That's failure. For me, that is failure. Walang kwenta yung plano mo kung hindi mo gagawin. Okay, so there. So, yeah, kaunting reading lang muna dahil ang dami kong talagang tinatapos. Yeah, medyo drain na rin ako. Anyway, so, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Hi, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Ano message for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius? King of Cups, King of Chalices in reversed. The Nine of Chalices. Somebody is closed off or maybe not open pagdating sa usaping pag-ibig. Yeah. Parang okay, mas pipiliin ko na maging single muna. From a water sign maybe, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. I'm closing off. Okay, I'm done. Parang, yeah, stop muna. Parang ganyan. I need to take some rest. Parang ganyan. Kailangan ko munang ipahinga ang aking puso. Parang ganyan. No? Who is this King of Chalices in reverse? Temperance. I had enough. Ilang narinig ko. I have enough. Yeah. So, I guess, andito yung parang may mga bibitawan na sobrang kailangan na ring bitawan noon pa. Na parang na-prolong na lang. Okay? So, mas uunahin yung sarili, yung peace of mind over this. Kasi wala nang peace of mind ang nakikita ko dito, that is why. Na parang, okay, nilet go ko na, ayoko na, parang ayaw ko na, and, yeah, we have to end this totally, like, wala na mangyayari dito. It's ruined. It's broken. Yeah, parang ganun. Sagittarius, nandyan rin. What else? Alam nyo, meron ditong ibahin natin yung energy. There's this someone who is in love with you, pero they're trying to hide their true feelings because, andun yung takot, pero they're being impatient. They're impatient. Kasi gusto nilang i-express yung sarili nila sa'yo. I don't know why, kung anong blockages dito. Maybe, sarili din nila. Yeah. What else? The Three of Wands in reversed. May mga uuwi. Galing malayo. The Nine of Pentacles. Pwedeng sa malayo nag-work. The Hierophant, yeah. Some of you, ikaw itong bibitawan mo na yung pagiging single mo. Yung iba sa inyo bibitawan mo na, tatalikuran mo na yung pagiging single mo. Yung iba kasi dito, may karelasyon. Matagal na. And nakikita ko may chance ng marriage. May chance ng marriage dito. With a fire, earth, Taurus. Yeah, the Hanged Man. Masyado nang matagal to. Masyado nang hinog. Parang ganyan. Okay, so parang, okay. Kailangan nating mag-settle down. Parang ganyan. Kailangan nating lumugar. Yeah. Tatalikuran na ang pagiging single. And mag-iiba ng status. Some of you, if this is talking about money, then there's this changes when it comes to your kaperahan. There's progress. There's this energy of increase pagdating sa money. Okay. So what else? Fire signs. Sensya na po sa boses ko Medyo talagang masakit na yung lalamunan ko. Kanina pa akong morning. Oo, naghahabol ako ng reads. Ang tagal kong nawala. Okay, so what else for you fire signs? Okay, the Knight of Wands. What is that? Anong meron dyan sa Knight of Wands na yan? The Tower. Unexpected pagbabalik ng player. Yes. The unexpected return of the player. Tingnan natin kung magiging result. What's their next action? Let's see. What's their intention? The player, The Hierophant, yeah, hindi pa rin magko-commit. They just want to play. Then give them something to play. Yeah, kung gusto mo. Kung bored ka, gusto mo lang din, go. I'm seeing here short-term connection with them. Not a long-term one. Okay? So, some of you, may chance na hindi mo na para i-entertain. I had enough. Parang ganan. So, unexpected. I don't know how, I don't know why. Pero, yeah. They want lang na magkaroon ng playtime with you. They want to play. Give them something to play. Diba? Anyway, so we have here Scorpio, Taurus, Fire, Earth, Fire, Sag, Water, and Pisces. Next, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Hi! Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, anong meron? Anong message for you? Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. One more. Wanting to learn more or new things. Wanting to learn new things. May nakikita akong ganun. Admiring new things, maybe. Anyway. Justice. Justice will be served. Some of you, you're connecting with a Libra. What's with this? Or you have this legal issues, no? What's with this justice? The Eight of Swords. Yeah. Meron dito mabibigyang hustisya in general. In general. Lalo na po lalo na yung may mga talagang legal issue. Yes. Meron ditong makakaalis na sa jail. That's specific. Meron ng makakalaya. Some of you, this is divorce, annulment, na pwedeng maipasa, pwedeng maging okay yung result, if ever. Yeah, may mga ganyang bagay, no? Yeah, see? The sun. Somebody, meron din ditong energy ng mga specific yung binabanggit ko. May mga makakapasa sa board, sa bar exam, I think. May energy kasi na pwedeng may mga maipapanalo, may mga maipapasa. When we're talking about legal issues. Yeah, the Eight of Wands. The Five of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga nilalakad na pera, kung ano man, something like that. Yeah, makukuha mo yun. Yeah, the Three of Chalices is here. That's victory. Some of you, this is talking about promotion for some of you. Yeah. Marriage. Yung iba sa inyo. Yeah, may energy ng marriage here. Yung iba dito nakakaalis na or makakaalis na sa mga stress, sa mga drama. Okay? What else for you, water signs? The Four of Swords in reverse. The Three of Chalices. There's this rumor, I think, na pwedeng mag-spread about third parties. Yeah, the Devil. Pwede may mag-spread na rumor, usapin, magkakaroon ng mga issues, I think. What's with this Four of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Magiging parte na lang to ng history. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Magiging parte na lang ito ng history. Parang ganyan. Like, makakalimutan na. I don't know why. May aalis. Somebody, pwedeng may magpapalaya. Parang ganyan. Usaping pera. Alam yung pwedeng usap-usapan lang before pero parang mapapatunayan. Parang may ganun. Somebody needs you. Earth, water, air. They're in pain. They need you. They want to talk. They want to see you. Anyway. What else? Water signs. The world in reverse. What's that? That's unfinished business. Somebody can't accept things, accept situations. What's with this? The world in reverse. The King of Chalices in reverse. The Empress. What's with this King of Chalices in reverse? Expressing their emotions. I think parang hindi nila ma-express. I don't know why. I think there's this blockages. Anong meron dyan? The Six of Swords. Parang may mga issue na talagang tatalikuran or lalayuan na lang and hindi na i-fix. Hindi nahaharap sa mga kung ano man na issue na parang okay, ito yung issue, iiwanan ko na lang yan. Malilimutan naman yan eh. Parang may ganun. Meron din ditong energy na gustong magkaroon ng pagkakayos. Heart-to-heart talk. Pero they don't know how. They don't know how. They don't know kung paano sisimulan. Yeah, the Two of Swords in reverse. Mayroong gustong sabihin, may gustong i-express. Dala ng takot para silang urong sulong. The Devil, yeah, in reverse. Gusto nilang may i-fix dito or may ayusin. Somebody wants your forgiveness. Somebody wants forgiveness, maybe. Yeah. Forgiveness. Kung kailangan mo magbigay ng forgiveness, water signs, kung kanino man, hindi na kailangan nahingiin ng kung sino man. Just give it to them. Para rin sa'yo yun. Okay? So, we have here water, air, earth, air, water, fire, air, and Libra. Next. Earth signs. Hi, Earth signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page, diba? So, anong kailangan mong malaman, Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Let's see. Let's check. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Ano to? Medyo may hindi maganda, no? Na nangyari lately or recently. The Seven of Swords in reverse. Mayroong, yeah, I think this is challenges na para mag-grow ka pa, para matuto ka pa. Yeah, universe is teaching you. Okay? Para maging strong pa. Strength is here. Universe is teaching you kung ano pa ang mga kailangan mong malaman. Okay? Gusto ni universe na maging strong ka pa. Yeah. Alam nyo, earth signs, ito specific. Merong ipapakita si universe sa'yo. Mga taong hindi naging okay, hindi naging magandang pakitungo sa'yo. Makikita mo na dadanasin din nila yon. Well, si universe ang gagawa nun. Yeah. Gusto ni universe na makita mo kung paano ang ginawa nitong taong to sa'yo. Madadanas rin nila yon. Dadanasin din nila. I don't know, this is like revenge from universe. Parang ang tawag dyan. Ang tawag doon. Ako bahala sa'yo, parang ganyan. Ako bahala sa'yo earth signs. Pagtatanggol kita, ilalabang kita. Parang ganan. Well, what else? What else for you earth signs? 7 of chalices. Being busy. A lot of options. What's with this 7 of chalices? Knight of Wands. Oh! May mga nagkakagusto sa'yo, earth signs. And this is not only one. Okay? Iba-iba. Marami. So, sabihin ko a lot. This is 7 of chalices. So, I think, pwedeng 7. Wow! See? Another knight. We have here a knight. We have here another knight. The Fool. May mga gusto mag-take risk. The 8 of Swords. Maraming gustong magsalita. Maraming gustong makipag-communicate sa'yo actually. They're just holding back. Okay? Pero iba sa inyo pwedeng makakuha. Hindi. May darating kasi, maybe 2 sa ngayon, na pwedeng maglalaan ng oras sa'yo. Let's see. Who is this Knight of Wands? Sa mga interested, yeah. So, this is just like flirt. What's with this Knight of Wands? See, the Star. Hindi mo akalain. Itong Knight of Wands na to is maging genuine sa'yo. The King of Swords. Yeah, this person likes you. A lot. I don't know kung paano ang tingin mo sa kanya. So, siguro, ang tingin mo sa kanya, they're like a player or hindi sila serious enough. Yeah. So, this is like judging agad, no? Anyway. So, andyan yung para kang magiging head turner. Apple of the eye. Apple of the eye. Flavor of the month. O, diba? Earth signs. Marami ang parang magiging into you. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Marami ang magkakagusto. Mga pababae, lalaki, ko naman ang gender mo. May mga ex pa. No, diba? Some of you, you're closed off. Gating sa love. Yan na naman tayo. Okay. What else for earth signs? Earth signs. What else? The Emperor in reversed. What's that? Aries. King of Pentacles. That's your energy. Anong meron dito? Some of you, there's a lot of responsibilities. A lot. So, you have to manage. You have to schedule, no? Para hindi mag-overlap, if ever. Or magkanda halo-halo, no? Yeah, this is talking about work. Or business. May mga i-fix, may mga aayusin. May mga i-build. I'm seeing here meetings. Yeah. Regarding increase. Yeah, the Ten of Swords in reversed. So your money is going up. Okay? In general, your money is going up. See? The World. Wow. That's changes. No, yeah, that's changes. The Four of Wands, talking about stability, talking about long term. The Five of Wands, wala nang masyadong kung ano man. That's nice. Promotion for some of you. Increase. More clients, more customers, more transactions. Stability in general. Long term. Pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? So there. Yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.